The sun is shining in Benidorm town. It is 30 degrees right now, and plenty of people are on the Levante beach. Although it's still not as busy as it previously was. We are right next to the beach library, which is where you can grab some nice books. There is books in German, in English, in Dutch, in French, in Spanish, different types of options for you guys to actually sit down and read some nice book. And those of you who want to also play some chess or any other table games are more than welcome to pick some of those here during your visit to Benidorm town. We've just seen 3 entire cars of police, 3 of them. One's right there, the other one is right behind us, and one just went right up front. How convenient, after we always tell that they have to patrol more and they're not doing anything, right? This is not a coincidence, probably. Let us know what do you think about it, but I definitely do feel like it might not be a coincidence. Right here on the Levante beach, quite a bit of people. There's still parasailing, there's still all the jet skis and cable skis. All the information is available for you here. This is the plan of the city, by the way. It's situated in different types of the city. And here you have the basic information. Where's the Levante beach, Poniente beach, Sierra Helada Natural Park? Where is the old town, La Cala area? And this part, which has some of the most beautiful viewpoint that we've seen, which is Tosal de La Cala. Very recommended to go. Not an easy access though, sadly. On the beach, people are putting their umbrellas in action because the sun is still quite strong. Quite a bit of people having a walk right by the water. Here in front, we have the Hotel Simbel, 4 stars. Like this hotel a lot. This is how we started our hotel video tours, complete ones. And this was actually very a nice place to stay. They have their private swimming pools, and this is actually a great option for those who want something special right here on the Levante beach. Quite a bit of people enjoying reading some newspapers, some magazines, and are just having the best of their time here on the Levante beach. Nearby, some typical restaurants that do serve some nice meals, and typical Spanish meals, by the way. These are very famous between Spanish visitors. Tapas, rations, specials for seafood, meat. Some of them do have menus, others do not. This one, for example, I don't think it does have an actual menu, but it does have like a la carte plates and meals that you can actually get. Art and beach articles here, typical sun hats, chairs for the beach, which are actually quite expensive. 50 euros for a chair. Are you kidding me? 50 euros for a chair. That is a bizarre amount of money for a chair. That's insane. Pharmacies nearby, the Cactus Terrace, which is also a lovely place for some coffee, some breakfast. Especially in these types of buildings, there's plenty of apartments that are rented for tourists. They are rented like short-term rentals, vacational rentals. So it's quite easy if you don't want to get... Look at that, there's people even sitting outside of the balcony with their legs out. That's curious. There's many people who just are heading here downstairs for breakfast and then going back up. This is very typical here in the area. Oh, the sun is still quite hot. I think it is like 32 degrees on the sunshine now. Many people are surprised because those who are coming from Catalonia, those who are coming from like Barcelona area, Tarragona, Salou, they come here and there it's already quite chilly, especially mornings and evenings. But here it's really hot. And people are shocked with the weather difference, especially being the same country, right? That is how it goes. But it is normal. It is still very much hot in here. Inside Hotel by Melia, this is the adult-oriented plus 16. So this means that basically you can only stay here if you're starting from 16 years and above. Not a legal thing to do, but no one cares. And they usually do put adults-oriented on these. And They always put the limit of age simply because there is not much to do for kids here, and there's people who might be like hearing adults into like entertainment in general. There's going to be music, but it's not like children's entertainment as per se. Daytona Rock Beach Bar with some live music. Quite a bit of people on the terrace. Not too overcrowded just yet, but not empty either. They do have entertainment up until like 11 at night, which is also great. Entertainment will be continuing, by the way, here up until October month. First days of November is when it's gonna be slowly going down. It's gonna be left only on weekends and only up until 12 at night, slowly but surely, but we're not there just yet. Don't worry about it. Lovely, lovely atmosphere. We have Jolly Roger here. Quite a bit of people on the terrace too. Some time ago, they did have an announcement on the entrance that there is only cash only payment. Nowadays, and immediately after we did a video of cash only places, that was taken down. So we're not really sure by now if it's something that they are still doing or if it's already card payments or what has happened with it. We do know that it was cash only. Nowadays, we're not too sure any longer. So just let us know if you've been there. Another police car. Look at that. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. Yes, of course. I don't believe in coincidences, honestly. Things happen for a reason. And things like these happen because, well, people talk, right? People see things, and if they want to continue to have a good name in Benidorm, they have to speed it up a little bit and do actual things out here. Not that they don't do anything, but especially in touristic areas, more can be done. Heartbreak American Bar here. Hi. Quite a lot of people here on the terrace grabbing some drinks. There is some lovely music. There's always such a healthy atmosphere in this bar. I'm always not surprised, but it's like a pleasant surprise, right? Anytime we pass through this bar, there's just like this very nice American style vibe. People love it. People are drawn to this type non-invasive, not a loud music. And we would honestly be going there too if it would be those who grab some cocktails or like alcohol drinks. We would go probably. The water park still available. People are still trying it out. Ooh, look at the amount of people. There are spots on the Levante beach that are slightly busier than the others. That's a thing, okay? That's just simply a thing. Not sure why, maybe because of the close nearby hotels or some facilities, but there's places that do have way more people on them than the others. And it's the same Levante beach, you know? For example, here, right next to the Tiki, to all the nightclubs, like all the water park here, there's way more people on the beach. And there's also parties going on. We've started the Benidorm Pride week already, and there's some parties happening in different types of bars. In one there's going to be a foam one, in the other one's going to be a white party, then it's going to be a pink party, then the parade, then some other parties happening. So there's going to be quite a lot going on in the area. Here by the beach, we are welcoming back again our singers during heat months with the heat wave due to health, obviously, issues. It's older generation. People are not coming here to sing, at least not in peak hours, but now they're back. Look at that. Now they are back for some lovely songs here in the area. This is a tradition in Benidorm. This is something that a lot of people do, and it's something authentic that people are coming to enjoy here in this particular space. Right in front, the Moon Beach, I think it's called, all ready for the Benidorm Pride. They put the music on. They're going to be having a party here, I think, or at least like all these places, the ones that are participating. There's another police car. We did something. We did do something with our video because that's not normal, you guys. I'll show it to you in a second. That's national police, actually. Some cool lounge bar, all packed up, all ready. All the flags here for the Benidorm Pride, all ready to go. And quite busy on the terrace, honestly. There's quite a bit of people. Guinness bar, exactly the same thing, and there's the police car. Told ya. Hopefully we will achieve one day that there wouldn't be anything bad happening like this here in the city. Hopefully that's going to be the case. All for the good and for the safety. Guinness bar, quite a bit of people. Typical Spanish restaurants like the Manila, we've been here, we tried their menu. Some things were good, others were awful. So yeah, you can check out the video and the honest reviews, and just let us know if you would be willing to take a risk and visit this bar. Personally, I wouldn't go back to this restaurant. We're honest. We're always paying for our service. We are always giving you up-to-date information, and there are incredible places here in the city that we would come back again and again and again to have some meals, but this one is not one of them. I'm sorry. Beach Club, Tiki Town. Quite a bit of people here on the terrace. They've put the sprays back again, which these were not working for a while, but because it wasn't necessary, but now they've put them back again. Also participating in the Benidorm Pride, by the way. Look at how many people are in this side of the Levante beach. That is bizarre. Ooh. I get it. I would be here too if I wouldn't have to work on our YouTube channels and film the videos for you guys. If I wouldn't have to work in our migration consulting company and our migration channel Spain Unlocked, I would definitely be here by the beach. That would be just perfect with the high temperatures that we have right now. But our work and hobby is what we do. It's what's most important, and we need to continue giving you some up-to-date information. So we are here. If you're not subscribed just yet, subscribe please, so that you wouldn't miss any new videos. It's free for you, and it's a huge step and achievement for us, and it helps other people to actually discover the videos, because YouTube says, hey, the person has subscribed, it must be interesting, so let me show it to other people who are interested in Benidorm. That's more or less how it works. So the more people are interacting in the videos, in the comments, likes, or subscribing, the more people will reach this useful information. Or maybe we'll discover Benidorm for the first time, which also happened to some of our subscribers. Oh, an incredible, gorgeous atmosphere, let me tell you. This is just perfect. Nearby we have the city bar, which is also part of the Benidorm's Pride. And there's another police car there. How many have we seen? Track it down. Write us in the comments, how many police cars did we see since we started filming this video, which has been, what, 13 minutes maybe? How many police cars did we see? I say it's been about 5 or 6 by now. Let us know if this is the exact number. Oh my goodness, they're gonna go directly into the boat. Look at this. Oh, that's a close shot. Oh wow. From here it looked like they're gonna go directly into the boat. I think people right there on the top were for 1 second quite afraid of what might be happening. Oh, this is the Benidorm's island boat, by the way. Just going back to the old town, picking other people up and going back to the island non-stop. So yeah, some police cars, nearby bars, gorgeous Barceló Benidorm beach. Very nice hotel. I absolutely love the design, and it's authentic. It also mimics the old Selomar hotel that's been here previously that has been demolished. So this is good that they have more or less the same style in place. Quite a bit of people are here actually. There's still quite a high occupancy, way higher than what you would think. And right here at the end we have the hotel that's going to be open next year. It is the oldest Benidorm hotel officially, and it's this one. It's called Hotel Bilbaíno, and next year 2026 is going to be 1 century anniversary. It's going to have 100 years, and the family decided that this is the year, the golden year. They have to do something with it, and they are refurbishing it completely. So the oldest hotel is going to be renewed, and it would be a gorgeous place to stay right here by the Levante. By the way, we did not have any other alerts here as per jellyfish or different types of oh my god, different types of issues with these blue dragons, you know, like the ones that eat jellyfish. No alerts whatsoever. There's a green flag. I suppose it just all went back to south, and here It's all safe and good to go. Look at this glory. This is gorgeous. All safe and still perfect for some lovely holidays in Benidorm town. And right in front of us, we have the old town, the tourism information office, plenty of businesses that I know a lot of you do enjoy. Gorgeous day on the Levante beach in Benidorm. This is the atmosphere here right now, beginning of September. Levante beach still quite busy, obviously not as packed. And I've just spotted one thing. See these things? Don't sit down if you have a bare, like naked skin. These are burning like hell, these things. Be really careful with these, please. These are burning. I've just burned my fingers for a second. So be careful, enjoy your holidays. It is the best time to visit Benidorm. Thank you for accompanying us today. We'll see you in a brand new video very, very soon. Goodbye.